I have never in my damn life taken 4 years to do anything, okay? And when you're a highly ambitious woman, right, and you are facing gale winds, right, we face a lot of pressure, friction, and noise. And then you get into the shower, and all these freaking ideas start getting downloaded, and you're like, oh my God, I gotta go do that. And it's because we for so long have played the role of both beast of burden and badass, quietly, right? The innovations in the world that are needed right now, a lot of them should be coming from us. Am I right? Because interestingly, because we're so busy, maybe being moms, maybe being friends, daughters, whatever, or being alone, because I like my alone time. That's like my favorite time of the day. I don't know about y'all, but give me a book and a windowsill and nobody else, I am happy, right? So I feel so strongly going into 2025 that we have to own our innovation. We have to own that our ideas are not just needed, but they are actually transforming the I within the we. And the women are here to transform the I within the we. You right? Right? Yes, yes, yes? Great. Because the collective needs this, and it's not just because we're women, by the way. And I'm going to talk a lot about that. This is actually not about gender. It's actually not about gender. We just happen to be women in this room. It's about showing people that they have choices that look like us. That's what it's about. It's not about competing with men or other genders or putting them down. It's about saying, yo, I'm here, I'm qualified. In fact, I'm overqualified, okay? And it's not about I'm better than, it's about I am qualified. Who's fucking overqualified in here? Yes? Yes, great, perfect, perfect. So we're all in good company.